for AVNation.tv. We are here at CEDIA Expo 2018 in lovely San Diego, California, in the Theory Audio booth with Paul. Paul, how you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing fantastic. Paul, a lot of people know you from your other company.
That's right.
This year you've launched Theory. Tell us a little bit about Theory.
Well, what Theory is really taking the technology and the engineering approach to what we've done with pro audio technology for the last 14 years and bringing it, what I like to say, to the rest of the house. For our dealers, the Pro brand has been the go-to product for dedicated large theater spaces.
Right.
But really the product isn't very well suited for the rooms outside the house, game rooms, media rooms, family rooms, things like that. So what we've done with Theory is we've launched a new brand to bring the engineering approach, the professional style products to soundbars, on-wall speakers, in-wall speakers, and in-ceiling speakers.
Now let's be fair. I just sat in the demo, sat through the demo. To call that a soundbar is kind of doing it a bit of a disservice. This is not a small little footprint with a couple small drivers. Tell us about the product.
Right, so they're all professional components, and so in the soundbar we have in the demo room, it's an 85-inch TV size, so it's sized to match an 85-inch TV. It has dual 5-inch drivers and a compression driver on a small horn for each channel, and that's how we're able to get such a massive dynamic sound out of what is basically a soundbar.
It's fantastic. We sat through the demo, and I didn't know going into it that it was the soundbar.
Right.
You had the lights down. It kind of sneaks up on you.
Right.
It was phenomenal for what that experience normally is when you go through it. How does this change the approach for dealers when they're looking at speccing a room?
Well, so now, traditionally, or up to this point, we believe the soundbars have been sound that's better than the TV sound, but only marginally so. It's really not that different. It makes the TV sound a little bit better. We're trying to bring theater quality sound to soundbars and small speakers that you can put in a room, a media room, simply by just hanging them on the wall and get a big theatrical experience. So I think that the dealers are going to realize that they can sell performance now into these other spaces, not just something that's better than what the TVs have built inside.
Right. And this is a full line, right?
Yep.
Two sizes of soundbars, some on-walls, in-walls, and in-ceilings?
And subwoofers, that's right.
And subwoofers, thank
Plus,
you.
actually, the nucleus of the system is what we call an amplified loudspeaker controller.
Okay.
So it's a multi-channel amplifier that has very high-end DSP built in that does all kinds of things. Loudspeaker processing, there's a matrix mixer in there, you can do bass management inside the loudspeaker controller. You can do automatic ducking, so if you have Amazon Alexa or some other voice-activated device, you plug her into the distributed system, and whenever she talks, you can control what zones of the distributed audio system she'll page. So that if there's music playing, the music will be brought down in level, Alexa speaks, and then when she's done talking, the system detects she's done talking, and the music ramps back up.
Very nice. If people want to get more information, learn how to maybe become a dealer and spec projects with this product, where can they do that?
They go to theoryaudiodesign.com.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time. For more coverage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.